You should take. I think you should take photos for that. So you start with that ABB inputs and outputs. Are you doing the video? Okay. From here you have to view all the signals. The tool we are using down there is 10 under DO under 10 underscore 6.
Yes.
Because we have D1, the other one is DO.
That's right.
Okay, so we have to look for here DO 10 underscore 6. Now you have 0 and 1 to activate, 0 to turn on. We are going to use that when we are going to do the drive it through. So we don't have to execute the line. Instead, we can do that manually to pick the part, put in another position. So step number 2 is go to the program editor and file, new program, done. So the first line is going to be like that. Add instruction. Now we are in this position. Move linearly. Make a line which is unidentified. Yeah. Select the position. Make this one as a new point. Define as position 10. Done. For the speed, it's going to take this one to 300 at the beginning. Yeah, 300 for all the movements, except for the picking and the dropping is going to be the 10. The 100. Sorry. So that's the first movement. Next movement is going to pick that part. This part is not going to rotate, not going to flip, right?
Yeah. It's just rotating. No. Yeah, it's this one.
Now we're going to put the device here, make a circle, and this will be my reference circle to pick the part. So I'm not going to pick the part now. Instead, I'm going to go up. So I came from the original point to this position. So move linearly to that position. And I have to go down to that position. Move linearly to this position. Then go down to pick the part. Move linearly to this position. Now this last movement should go to 100 or 150 for the speed. I will use 150. Now I'm going to do the wait time, set, and wait time. So next wait time, choose 2.
2?
Yeah, 2 seconds.
Okay.
Doesn't matter. And I'm going to do the set. Choose the tool from the list again. Then I have to do the waiting time. So I can simply copy that. Now we don't have to copy any line because we're doing the drive it through directly.
Yeah, just change the line.
Exactly. So to pick the part, I don't have to execute the line. Do that. So I pick the part. I will go up. Go up to this height at 150. Okay, so I'll move linearly. I have to go up to this height. It should be higher than this one, otherwise they will collapse. Move it into here, and this one is going to be at 300. Now once again, because I'm holding the part, so I'm going to start the process reversely. So I'm going to put the part there, then go up to put the position.
Find the position first to move it up.
Yes. So change to 46, to 46, and I will try to get this one by itself. Now just remember that we cannot do it more than 45 degrees, but actually this is a 45 degree.
Is it strict 45 or if you go over a little?
Well, actually you can go up to 89, but I
but
prefer
yes,
not
alright,
to.
so you can't go like 48.
Yeah, so is it that way?
No, we're gonna the other way. So
Oh, we have to do it further.
yeah.
Okay. So this will be last movement. I will save this one as move linear to this position.
So even the rotation is moving linear. So
Multiple steps. Yes. 2,
3,
this one should be vertical with
Yes.
this line.
Yes.
Okay, that's it free. Now I'm going to save this one. I need to check if this one is correct position. So go to the linear. Try to fix the thing in the position. Need to go a little bit to the side. Is the rotation is correct? I need to fix it. This one is parallel.
Looks parallel.
That's good. That's good.
Looks parallel.
Okay. So this will be the third position. So I will save this one now. Move linearly. Then I will go down. So go down to this height by the 300. And I have to go down.
Looks like it's really good. Oh, this one.
That's fine.
So do this one too slow in case if you are suspect that something wrong will happen.
So,
Maybe even slower than the 150, let's say 100. Okay, now we have to do the rest, which is going to be the reset. So pace waiting time, add instruction reset, and then pace the time off. Okay, and next step is going to be going up. So I'm going to turn off the air. That's a problem. So I will go to this height too slow, which is 100. So add the next line. Move linearly, and this will be at 300 again. I continue doing that because I need to show you something. Now, when I get to pick the next part, I have to be sure that my device is coming back to this position. Otherwise, I'll forget that and the things will start to evolve. So, to do that once again, as we did this step by step, we have to come back step by step.
Is the air compressor not working?
No, it's working. The part
Someone
was,
told me it was in.
Yeah.
no, the part was small
Turn
actually.
it on. 01 to turn.
Yeah.
Thank you.
2. And 3. Now just remember that if you leave it turned and try to run the program, it will not be able to take it back more than 89 degrees and will give you an error. So you always have to put it back in the same position. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to run the code for you automatically to show you what will happen. Oh, before that, I will show you first how we can